Basting with sauce, a flavorful journey in cooking. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a delicious topic in the culinary world: basting with sauce. This phrase might sound technical, but it's actually a simple and enjoyable cooking technique. Stay tuned as we unfold the layers of this flavorful method. Basting is a cooking technique involving pouring, brushing, or spooning liquids over food to enhance its flavor and prevent it from drying out. The term sauce refers to a liquid or semi-liquid substance served with food to add moistness and flavor. So, when we talk about basting with sauce, we're discussing the process of enriching the flavor and texture of food by regularly applying a sauce during the cooking process. Basting is essential for several reasons. It adds depth and complexity to the flavor of the food, especially meats. By basting, you're also ensuring that the food stays moist and tender. This is particularly important for longer cooking methods, like roasting or grilling, where food has a tendency to dry out. 1. Choose the right sauce. Depending on what you're cooking, select a sauce that complements the food. It could be a simple butter mixture, a barbecue sauce, or a gourmet glaze. 2. Use the right tools. A basting brush or a spoon is typically used for this process. 3. Timing is key. Baste at regular intervals throughout cooking. Avoid over-basting, as it might wash away the seasonings or prevent the formation of a proper crust. 4. Safety first. If you're using the same sauce you used for marinating raw meat, ensure it's boiled before basting to avoid contamination. Experiment with flavors. Don't be afraid to try different sauce combinations. Don't ignore the drippings. Sometimes, the juices that drip from the meat can be combined with the sauce for basting. Keep an eye on the temperature. Too high heat can cause the sauce to burn. We hope this video has shed light on the delicious technique of basting with sauce. It's a simple method that can significantly enhance the flavor of your meals. Happy cooking, and see you in our next English language learning adventure.